everybody, I'm Robert Patton. This is our store, the Sheath underwear store in Woodland Park. We've got a little event going on, but I'm going to give you a little tour. This is our little storefront where you can come in and purchase Sheath. Of course, you can go to sheath.com and buy it online. But if you're in the area, come by the store. We got all the selections. We give local discounts for people that live in the area, and we would love to meet you. So come on by. Appreciate you coming out.
Cool.
Thank you.
Do we get a picture with you too?
Yeah, if you want, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Right. Right. Yeah. Relax. Calm down. You're overreacting. You're overreacting. You say it like that. It's like, the way you said it. Put on a little bit of weight. I want you guys to like talk to her.
Denver took like 3 days for me to get.
Huh? Yeah, shoot down. Yeah.
Where we at? Good. How are you?
Huh? I need some new ones.
Best, yo, this is the best one. I'll sell somebody else. This is the best one. Can you autograph this real quick? I had a guy, a guy had me sign his underwear. Not that not one's wearing, but ones that he bought.
He did get something.
I think they're the most comfortable ones, honestly. I don't know how I can.
The bamboo one?
The bamboo one, yeah.
A pack of 10 outlets is like $15.
Probably. Check some of those. I had them. Bula, gentlemen. Is it down? No? Yeah. There we go. How you doing? Like fighting? What's your name? This is Bassil.
Where do you live?
Denver.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, up in Denver, like West Denver.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I live down the Springs.
It's on the back of these cards. No, that's to our YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I don't think it goes to our website.
On
that table.
Anything else with this table, because we're going to destroy it, and then I'm going to look like an idiot, and then I'm going to smash your
It just
arm
sounds
through
like
the
a bad
table, and
idea.
I'm going to look bad.